Today, we are doing a deep dive into something that is just so fundamental for your health. We're talking about vitamin D blood testing.
Right.
We've been looking at some great guidance from Blood Test UK, and we're going to pull out the most important bits, especially for those of you living right here in the UK.
That's the whole mission today. We're just cutting through the noise to get to the simplest facts. What are the benefits? What does it mean for you? And, what's the local angle?
And we should say we're really focusing on services here in the UK, specifically thinking about residents in places like Havant, in Hampshire. It's all about finding those deficiencies and just feeling better.
Absolutely.
Okay, let's unpack this.
Let's do it.
So why even get this test? The main point, and the guides make this really clear, is to see if you have enough vitamin D for strong bones.
It's as simple as that.
Yeah.
Without it, your body just can't use calcium properly. And that can lead to, really serious problems down the line, like brittle bones or even rickets.
So recognizing the symptoms early is key, right? What are the common signs that should make someone think, maybe I should get tested?
The biggest one is just feeling tired all the time. A kind of chronic fatigue that, sleep doesn't seem to fix.
Okay, but lots of things can make you tired.
True, but you look for it with other things, like, are your bones achy? A deep pain, not just sore muscles.
And what else?
Weak muscles, or maybe you're getting sick constantly. You catch every cold that goes around, that's your immune system struggling. Slow healing is another big clue.
Here's where it gets really interesting. Let's talk about the how. The actual test sounds incredibly simple.
No, it is. It's just a small blood sample, usually from your arm, all done following strict UK rules.
And what about getting ready for it? The Blood Test UK site mentioned you might need to fast for 4 to 6 hours beforehand.
Sometimes, yeah. It really depends. The main form of vitamin D they measure is pretty stable, so fasting isn't always needed. But sometimes it helps get a cleaner result with no interference.
And it's fascinating that things outside the lab can change the numbers. Like if you just got back from a sunny holiday.
Exactly. Or your diet, or any medications you're on. You have to tell your doctor all of that stuff.
So you get the test back. What do the numbers actually mean?
In the UK, we use the NHS guidelines. So if your result is below 25 nanomoles per liter, that's officially deficient.
Okay, that's the red zone.
Right. Then there's the gray area. Between 25 and 50 is called insufficient. You're not deficient, but you're not where you should be.
And what's a good number?
You're aiming for sufficient, which is anything above 75.
Got it. So if you're below 75, what's the next step?
That's when you absolutely have to talk to your GP. They'll come up with a plan for you. It might mean supplements, or it could be as simple as changing your diet.
Like eating more fatty fish or egg yolks.
Exactly. Or even just foods that have vitamin D added to them, like some cereals.
Now, who benefits the most from keeping an eye on this?
Well, the sources are very clear on this. Older adults, for sure. Anyone over 65. For them, regular testing can really help prevent frailty and bad falls.
That makes sense.
And, of course, anyone who doesn't get much sun. Maybe you work indoors all day, or you cover up for cultural reasons. You're definitely in a high-risk group.
And that brings it right back home to us here in the UK, doesn't it? Even in a place like Havant, the seasons have a huge impact.
A massive impact. Between October and March, the sunlight here just isn't strong enough for our bodies to make vitamin D.
So almost everyone's levels are going to drop in the winter.
They do. That's why testing during those months, and just being proactive with your diet, is so important for your bones and your immune system.
So what does this all mean?
It means this simple blood test is a really powerful tool. It helps you catch a problem early before it becomes serious.
It's a preventative checkup, really, especially if you're over 65 or you've got that constant fatigue we talked about. Just, have a chat with your doctor.
Absolutely. And here's a final thought for you to take away. We know that a huge number of people in the UK have low or borderline levels. So what one simple proactive step could you take today to look after your long-term well-being? Maybe it's a bit of safe sun in the summer, or adding one fortified food to your breakfast, just a small change.
A great actionable thought. And all this insight comes straight from the fantastic guidance provided by Blood Test UK.